Hi, I'm Nodoka. I want to share my project. It's Wellness Habit Tracker. This is a project proposal. So the Wellness Habit Tracker is a cloud-based self-management app that helps users improve their daily health habits. It allows individuals to securely log in, record meals, workouts, and sleep, and also immediately visualize their progress through interactive charts and weekly monthly summaries. So this is the original architecture design. So it aimed to create a fully serverless and globally accessible wellness logging platform using core AWS services. Users would interact with the front end hosted on Amazon S3, and all requests would securely pass through Amazon API gateway to AWS Lambda, which processes activity data and stores it in DynamoDB. Event Bridge was designed to automate wellness reminders by triggering SNS, while CloudWatch would monitor logging and performance across all backend components. This architecture focuses on scalability, high availability, and seamless serverless automation, allowing the system to grow without manual infrastructure management. Then this is the implemented architecture design. It's closely aligns with the original design, but the static web application remains hosted on S3, and Lambda continues to handle core tracking logic and database operation with DynamoDB. Event Bridge successfully triggered scheduled reminders through SNS, while CloudWatch provides full operational visibility for debugging and monitoring. And originally, the flow was Event Bridge, SNS, email notification, but I received the JSON format rather than as readable motivational messages. So I connect to Lambda first, so Event Bridge. Then the flow became Event Bridge, Lambda, Amazon SNS, and CloudWatch. So it allowed me to get clear, encouraging reminders, like keep up your wellness goals today or something like that. And then, yeah, those are challenges. Then I'll show you the system. So first I can log in with my email. Then I already set the password, so put the password and sign in. And this is the web page that I made. So here I can choose meal, workout, or sleep. So if I choose meal, I can put the calorie that I took. Then optional, I can put like food that I had. Then add here in your history tab, I can see the new data here. Then also I can delete the data or edit the data. So instead of 400, I can put 600. Then the data is changed now, and the record is visible as a graph like this. This is the workout graph, sleep graph, and this is a meal calories. And also we can see the weekly summary and monthly summary like this. So, and also if I put my goals here, then save goals, we can see the goals on the top of the page. Then also here we can go to the site about healthy life, like health tips. Then in DynamoDB I can see some data that I add. Yeah, here. So now I added this data and it shows here. And also this is my S3 bucket. And this is HTML file. Then and so this is some functions. This is the main function. Then if I go to the daily wellness message function, I can see the code, and if I test this, I can get the new notification like daily wellness reminder. You've been working hard, take a moment to rest, hydrate, blah blah blah. Yeah, so it works well. So yeah, those are my engagement to create this system, wellness habit tracker. That's it. Thank you for watching.